Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. We are Group 5 presenting our Phase 3 database project titled G Membership and Management System. The objective of this project is to design and implement a relational database that manages G members, classes, payments, and attendance efficiently. In our report, we covered an entity relational diagram, normalization up to BCNF and SQL implementation based on the logical database design. In this video, we will summarize the key parts of our report and demonstrate the system using selected SQL queries. All queries shown are taken directly from our report and represent core system functionality.
So, let's start with this query. The purpose of this query is to create the member table, which is the core entity of our database. As you can see, on the member ID, we have added a constraint as the primary key. And also, we have set the user ID as the foreign key from the user table. Let's move on to this query. So, the purpose of this query is to analyze the distribution of active and inactive members in the system. So from this query, it will output this table, which display each member status with the total number of members. Next is this query. The purpose of this query is to display all the active members together with their subscribed membership plans and validity. As you can see, from this query, we have two joins. One is the join for the member ID, and the other one is for the membership ID. And as for the output, it will show the member detail and plan name, start and end dates, and the current plan status.
Okay, I will now demonstrate SQL queries related to class scheduling and trainer management. The purpose is to display today's class schedule together with trainer names and class stats. And the output is, it will show class details sorted by time and indicates whether the class is group or personal. Next, we do the trainer workload analysis by selecting trainer ID, trainer name, and then their specialty using aggregate, which is count the class ID as the table name, and then sum up the duration of class to total minutes, and then round up the duration to a new table name, which is average class length. The purpose is to analyze trainer workload based on number of classes and total teaching duration. And the output is to display total classes, total minutes, and average class duration per trainer. The purpose is to ensure the group classes are not incorrectly assigned to individual members. The output is that it removes invalid member assignments from group class records.
Okay, so next what I want to do is I want to deactivate member with expired plan. So as before, I already copied the queries and I need to paste it down here. And here, what I did was update member and I renamed the member as M, so it's easier for me to use it after. So I joined the member plan MP on with member.member ID, where the member ID of members is equals to the member ID in member plans, and I set the status to inactive. This is the condition, which is the end date is already before the current date, and m.status is active. So the output, the activate member will be removed. So right now what I want to do is I want to record a membership payment transaction. So I already copied the query. So right now I just need to paste it down here. And as you can see, it already stated here. I want to insert payment into the attributes, which is payment ID, member ID, amount, payment date, method and status. All these attributes are in the payment relations, and these are the values. So the output is a new payment record will be added to the payment table. So next, what I want to do is I want to analyze payment methods used by members. So as before, I already copied the query, so I just need to paste it down here. So this is, and as you can see, these are the output table. So what I did was I select method and I will count the all from the and rename it as a transaction count, and I will sum the amount and rename it as total amount, and these are the calculation of the percentage from payment relation, and these are the conditions, and which is the status is paid, and I will group this by method and order by total amount in descending order. So the output will display all of this in here.
So next, I'm gonna remove the orphan attendance records. So I'm just gonna paste it here. So we gonna delete from the attendance where member ID is not in the relation here. So the purpose is to maintain the data integrity in the attendance table, and the output will be the invalid attendance are removed. Okay, so now I'm gonna determine the class property. So I'm just gonna paste it here. And the purpose of this queries is to select the class ID and count the member ID as total attendance. And the purpose is to determine the most attended class. So the output will display the relation that shows the attendance count for each class. So as you can see, the C001 is 2, C003 is 1, C004 is 3, and C006 is 1. Okay, so now we're gonna do the member attendance summary. And here we have, we're gonna select the member ID and the member, and then we count the attendance ID as total class. And then we sum up the equation here, the case when status equals to present. And then the purpose is to analyze the attendance performance for each member. So the output would be this relation or the table that displays the total class, attended classes, and the missed classes. In conclusion, our database system successfully supports member management, class scheduling, payment processing, and attendance tracking. All the SQL queries demonstrated in this video are taken from our report and represent key system functionality.